on reasonable conditions, pending a charge or trial unless there are compelling reasons not to be so released. Section 123A of the CPC guides the court on the circumstances to be considered, where the right to bail or bond is in consideration, and they include the nature or the seriousness of the offense, the character, associations, community of the accused persons, the accused person's records in respect of fulfillment of obligations under previous bail, and the strength of the evidence of his having committed the offense. The court is further guided by Section 123A, subsection 2 of the CPC, which was also referred to by counsel, as well as the bail and bond policy guidelines, which sets out the guiding principles when making a decision on bail or bond. The court must balance the importance of the accused person's liberty, the presumption of innocence, and the appropriateness of the offense alleged to have been committed. Bond should not be excessive, and it should not be too low. The purpose is to guarantee the appearance of the accused persons before court on the scheduled dates, and in this case, there is no objection to the accused persons being released on reasonable bond terms. There is no indication that they are a flight risk. However, the court appreciates the seriousness of the offense before court, which I say is very serious, and also noting that the matter involves public funds. Whether or not the actual amount is stated on the charge sheet, or whether or not there is evidence to support the charge, is not a matter for determination at this juncture. So bearing the above in mind, I hereby direct that the accused person shall be released on bond of Kenya shillings 30 million or a cash bail of Kenya shillings 5 million shillings for each accused person. 30 million plus one surety of the said amount, or a cash bail of 5 million shillings for each accused person. I took into account the circumstances of the fourth and the fifth accused persons, and my directions are that the fifth accused person shall be released on a personal bond of Kenya shillings 5 million plus two sureties of the said amount.